Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Photopea. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the image in the Photopea. Then first thing you need to go to the right hand side and look in layers. Now make sure the image that you want to go through the background of isn't locked. As you can see, if it's locked, you will have a padlock next to it like this background layer. And another note, make sure that this is not the background layer. If it is, just go and unlock it like so. Then go to the left and you can see this magic band tool. You have to click on it. Then hold your left click on this tool right here and select this object selection. Then what we need to do is this is going to go and create a square, and you need to go and get the object inside of the square. So I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to start by holding my left click here and then dragging all around the image like so. As you can see, it says the cross should be fully in the object as well, which is important, so that is just perfect. After that, it's then going to try and detect the image. Now in this case, it's done quite a bad job, so it's missed out by these things. All you need to do is tap this select subject in the top, and that should go and improve it. And once you have done, you need to go and tap on refine edge just like this. And with refine edge, what we can do is we can go and remove parts of the image. So let's go and start here. As you can see, this is really useful, so you can easily remove anything messy. And then you can see these colors here: foreground, background. I'm going for this background and make the brush a bit smaller. By tapping on the brush size, you can reduce this all the way down, something quite small. And then I'm going to do is just make sure this is all removed just like this. I don't want it in the image. Now you can see it's going to be reflected on this side as well. So after all these things, then go for the top right and click on OK. Now we got the transparent image and you can move it anywhere, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to remove background in Photopea. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.